Oh, brother, though it looks far but very close, your son still call your name. Come home. Your home to chase the world, dreams of silver, dreams of gold, running after distant lights, while your boys cry through the nights. Little footsteps by the door, still waiting like the days before. Two young hearts that need your hand, trying hard to understand. Their mother bears the weight alone, turning pain into a home. But no one else can ever be the father those boys need to see. Brother, come home before they become men, before they lock you out again. Your son still call your name at night. Oh, come be the father in their life. Before these boys become strong men, we'll never let you in again. Hold them now while there is time, before regret becomes your cry. Buyele kaya, Mukoma, Toganasi. The boys need you, the boys need you. Come home tonight. The boys need you, the boys need you. Come home tonight. Come home tonight. Don't let pride steal what love can say. Don't wait for sorrow at your grave. These boys need more than worldly gain. They need your voice, they need your name. Brother, come on, before they become men, before they lock you out again. Your son still call your name.